Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over vatic. Well, they just released a new update, so 0.61. So yeah, we'll go over the new mods. So we'll start with world. There's world time, so if you switch it on, you can change the time of the world to whatever you want it to be. So yeah, so it'll always be this time if you set it to it. So yeah, that's quite cool. Nothing new in combat or render. In MISC they fixed Unicode. Well, at least I think they did. They fixed the text in chat. I don't know whether they wanted the entire text to be like all of this as well, but yeah, so that works now. Screenshot, it captures your screen right there, selects the image to clipboard, and then if we copied that to clipboard, then you just paste that into your browser. So I'd recommend binding that to like F2 or something, so that could be your normal screenshot button. Profanity filter now works, so if I type fuck, it works. What I used to crash the client, so yeah. Spam works now, but I don't get kicked for spamming, so yeah, that's good. Some highly requested features is infantry move, so you can now walk with your infantry open, and now you can use the arrow keys as well to look around while you're walking. So if you're using arrow keys to move, then use WSD, else this might conflict. So yeah, so you can walk and now use the arrow keys as well, but that's just good, so you can slightly look up or something when you are running and using the infantry. So that's really nice. They didn't do anything else in here. Nope. Sprint. They did sprint. So now there's a sprint hack in here, like so. Oh yeah, and you can also notice it says 0.61 beta at the top. So the sprint, and it's omnidirectional, so you can sprint in all directions, like so, which is rather nice. That was another highly requested feature, so that's been put in. There's also been chest dealer, which I'll show on a different server, and spectate. So if we double spectate and then we type in high roller, but that's a 0, and then we hit enter, we should now be able to see high roller's point of view. So look, as you can see, it looks like him, and that's me right there, but you can't see me. So yeah, that's spectate, really useful if you want to find people. So yeah, if they're nearby, I think it might have a limit. So yeah, that's always good. Then I'll go and show chest dealer and horse jump on my single player. Sorry, before we go into single player to test chest dealer and horse jump, forgot to show the status HUD, which is a new feature they added. So yeah, so it's under the render tab right here. Just got a key binding, and it shows your armor status here, like how much durability it's got left, and then down the bottom corner, if I eat golden apple, you can see regeneration to an absorption and how long they've got left. So if I throw a splash potion on the floor, so yeah, so that's really, really nice. So yeah, so now we'll switch over to single player world, and we'll get showing you the rest. Just a quick note before we go on, there's a little bit of a bug here which says 0.6 beta along the side. I don't know whether they're trying to put across the bottom or up the side, but yeah, it's sort of like half off the screen. But it does work fine down here, so yeah. Okay, welcome back. We're in a single player world, and just to let you know, these do bypass no cheat. It's just I couldn't do these things on the no cheat test server. So yeah, so this is horse jump. So if we switch it off, where's horse jump? Right here, so it's off. So if I just tap once, it jumps over it. So if I just tap once on the 2 block, it won't go over it, see? So I have to hold space down and then like jump over it like that. Now if you switch horse jump on, like so, mode press, or okay, that's just the key button, horse jump, and if you tap it, you'll jump as high as the horse can jump. So example, if we just tap it, we can jump straight over this, and if we just tap it, we can jump straight over the big one as well. So the horse's jumps at its maximum height with a single press instead of having to hold it. So that's really nice. And then this is Chest Dealer, so it's up in the player tab. If you right click on it, there's a keybind. Drop means instead of putting it in your inventory, it'll just drop it straight on the floor. Good if you're like raiding a base, I suppose, so just steal everything and dump it on the floor so you can lava it later. Filter only picks certain items out, so if you're on like a OP server, we'll only pick out things with, say, only diamond armor or something like that. And then do all of the ones you want to steal out of, so chest dispensers, stoppers, furnaces. So if we switch it on, so I've got to keep under O. If we right click, like so, it will just take all of them out. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much the new update. Adds a lot of features we were all requesting, so that's good. Apart from that, all I need to do is really add X-ray, a speed bypass, and the damage, so glide works on older no cheat builds, because it doesn't work at all right now. Yeah, apart from that, really nice update. Thank you ever so much for watching. Goodbye.